Welcome back to another Diecast Resurrection. Today we're going to fix up this GTX, and I believe this is a 2010 casting. And this thing's kind of showing its age a little bit. And I want to make this GTX into a badass street machine once more. She's looking kind of dated, and she's looking kind of rough. I'm really looking forward to this one. Looking at this car, doesn't it feel like it's about to start rusting? Like if it was a real car. Look at them axles, man. Check out that fire extinguisher. Pimp. I like to clean up the posts because there's nothing worse than struggling trying to get your car back together once you got a fresh paint job. I hate that. So there's a little lip spoiler on the back of this. Just a mangled mess back here. So I gotta clean all this up. Today's wheels are brought to you by Kyle Kelly. These things are sweet. A few videos back he donated a couple Johnny Lightning cars and they both had these awesome Cragars. So let's do a test fit. We're almost scraping the exhaust on the mat. Hell yeah, those are fitting real good. We got quite a bit of work to do on this base before we can re-chrome it. She's pretty banged up. The back isn't much better. So for the paint on this one, I started with an opaque red. I added some Cosmic Sparkle red. It's going to be super subtle. Probably won't even notice it unless you see it in person. And then I added just a drop of black just to kind of darken it up a little bit. Typically to get the full effect of this Cosmic Sparkle, you spray it on top of the red. But I find when you mix it in, you can get a real subtle kind of metallic vibe without going over the top, you know what I mean? See if we can very carefully tape out these rails. You stay on there. Don't you go nowhere, man. Need something like that. Sweet, those turned out pretty good. They're very subtle. Definitely worth the time to tape those out, I think. It's going to take a little time. I'll probably just enjoy my coffee and plug away at this carefully. She's kind of crusty, this one, but I do think it'll look alright once she gets a new coat. There we go, that's looking a lot better. Anyone who's been using this liquid chrome's probably figured it out by now, but you want to You want to be kind of wide open on your airbrush and do it in one pass if you can. I ended up mixing up a little bit of tail light juice here, a little 2K urethane with some red Spectra Flame. There's our glass. It's looking pretty good. That water-based clear coat sure does the job. I'm going to be using it on all my cars from now on. There's a couple drops of thinner into the blackness here, and you always got fresh black on hand. And you just let it dry when you're done. I don't think I should be doing this on camera. Oh, I'm so scared. I had a lot of fun working on this car today. I'm really feeling the red on red with the big Johnny Lightning Cragars. She looks good. Overall, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you leave a like to support the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.